A lot of people wonder what we do on our free days.
Get dragged to Chevy dealerships by Bryce because he want to go look at some cars that he's not going to
But
buy.
you pointed it out. I didn't even know it was here. I was trying to go to Crown Coldens.
I pointed it out. That don't mean I wanted to go there.
I mean, once you said it was a Chevy dealer with stuff there, it was in the books. They got some cool stuff. They got a D-badged, like Maxima, Ultima.
That's so cool.
They got a GT.
Oh, that's even cooler.
They got a twin turbo ST6. Some RSs. They got an SS right here, 6th gen, facelift. They got another one in the back. Z06, a Grand Sport, Stingrays, cool stuff. I mean, they got some other stuff on this side, but this is definitely a Pookie Clips. This is very impromptu, nothing serious. We weren't planning on being out here. Yeah, we're not working today. Y'all will get a video next week, maybe.
If we feel like it.
If we feel like it.
Like y'all watch it.
Yeah, that's very true. Y'all don't watch our content. But yeah, y'all, this is a car that y'all haven't seen yet. But we on to the next spot. You thought I was fooling you? That nigga munch.
Nigga, either he ate for lunch.
You know the
Bitch, on my
rest?
body, I get what I want.
No,
You thought I was
no,
feeling you?
no,
I was feeling you.
no.
That nigga munch.
I tried to distract you.
No, nigga, I knew better. Nigga, I like corn dog. I don't care what the fuck y'all say. Y'all can make all the glizzy jokes.
Take a bite.
No.
Take a bite.
They gotta pay for that shit.
I'll pay for it.
Either that shit gonna get cold or you gonna eat it, bro.
Alright, turn this way.
Like, so you about to drop your food. You do it to us. Just, oh, you go ahead and take that bite.
Oh,
They know what you're doing. They know what you're doing.
Oh, yeah.
Big ass bite, boy.
Yeah.
Not lying.
Big ass bite.
Yeah, he just throwed it that motherfucker.
Alright. It's been many a nights since we dropped off Susan. But it's finally time that we're gonna bring her inside. Hopefully it's just the timing is off and not a bent valve or something. And I get my car back very soon. Hopefully.
Nope.
He had a place here around a whole bunch of Chevys and Pontiacs and Cadillacs. He like, man, where the Dodges at? I'm in Susan, by the way, if y'all was wondering. I missed this car. We're in Mexico, not at the Mexico, and we are just doing more clips for behind the scenes, Pookie clip stuff. And hold on, it might be hard to see, but Marquise is all the way out there walking, measuring. For those that are in the cars, you know what he's measuring for. What you managed to get to?
An eighth.
Right here's the 8th?
Yeah.
All right, that's what I thought we'd be able to get. I mean, this is usually where we stop anyway.
Yeah, because 1320 would be across into whatever.
The street.
Yeah, it'd be in the grass and all that shit.
All right. Well, you got anything to say to the people?
Yeah, that's an eighth amount of work. Definitely just work. Well, not work because I don't have my PPE on, but we just like eighths.
Yeah.
And fourths and halves. So that's
Hopefully, at one point we can get a whole mile.
maybe. Now, what those specific increments are for, that's undisclosed. You can't give out that type of information, but just measuring out an eighth.
Nigga, I like corn though. I don't care what the fuck y'all say. Y'all can make all the glizzy jokes.
Take a bite.
No.
Take a
They
bite.
gotta pay for that shit.